Good morning, my name is Rich Tyrak and I am with Hanksters Hot Rods, and we are coming to you this morning from our Daytona Beach showroom in the background here. It is 81 and sunshine out today. We are halfway through the month of November, and what we do at Hanksters here is we spend a lot of time on our website giving you photographs of our vehicles and doing video presentations of the vehicles themselves. What we haven't done is educate you on the actual buying process. I get asked this question a lot, and that's what I'm going to do today. Later on, Al's going to do a video, and he's going to explain to you what you should be looking for when you're buying a classic car. But I'm going to go over with you the actual process of doing so. So, first of all, in our showroom in Daytona Beach, we own all of our vehicles. There are at least 80 here at all times for you to purchase and look through and make your selection. And there's no third parties to deal with. There's no third party buyers. We don't have to ask anybody's permission. They are our vehicles. We have two great owners that travel the entire Northeast buying these cars, and there is a very thorough selection process for our vehicles. With that being said, once you do find what car that you're looking to purchase, the process is relatively easy. The first thing we do is we generally take a $500 partial down payment on a credit card. This goes towards the purchase process of your car, and then that secures you the car for 7 business days in order for you to get the remainder of the funds in order. Let's talk about the remainder of the funds. If you're a cash buyer, obviously we accept 2 forms of payment, either certified bank check from your bank or bank wire transfer, which nowadays is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Simply because there's no paper and the money's there usually within just a couple hours. If you are financing, we have several different lending institutions that we work with depending upon what you're looking for, whether you're looking for rate or term or what have you. Now, what a lot of people don't know is to make these vehicles affordable, because for a lot they are a luxury vehicle. They aren't your daily driver to work. These lending institutions offer up to 12 years financing on these cars. And the down payment is anywhere from 10 to 20% depending on your credit bureau. But the good news is that the lenders contact you directly. We have nothing to do with the financing. We just simply offer the platform. They contact you directly and discuss your rate and term with you. And once you have everything in order and we are funded on the vehicle, we arrange for shipping. If you don't have your own shipper, if you have your own shipper that you're a muscle car enthusiast and you have several collector cars, you're more than welcome to arrange your own shipping. 9 times out of 10, we are the one arranging the shipping for you, whether it's open carrier or enclosed carrier. And 9 times out of 10, this price is included in the purchase price of the vehicle. So that's a plus as well. We also offer warranties with almost all of our vehicles that we sell here at Hanksters. This warranty is not through us. This warranty is through a third-party warranty provider. It is good at any ASE certified facility in the United States. I get asked the question a lot, well, I got to tow it back down to you? No, obviously you don't. You can take it to probably the mechanic that works on your daily driver. And it covers basically your engine, your transmission, and your rear end. Any major mechanical breakdowns that you might have. I mean, we are dealing with 30, 40, 50-year-old cars here. Things can go wrong with a brand new car, let alone a car of that age. So that's another plus that we offer here at Hanksters. Once we're funded for the car, we set up the shipping. Generally, it's 2 to 5 days for pickup, and another 2 to 5 days to you, depending upon where in the United States that you are located. Now, if you require financing, we're going to walk you through our process here. As you can see, Devin's going to be shooting the computer screen right now. We got 2 inventories on our site, and the application process is the same for either one. First, you select what inventory, whether it's Homer City, Pennsylvania, or here in Daytona Beach. Then you select your car, and you click on your car, and then see this little tab, the Apply for Credit tab. You just click on that, and the application is relatively easy to complete. It takes 5 to 7 minutes, and then the collector car lender will contact you directly to discuss your approval and your rate and your term and your financial commitment in terms of down payment. So again, relatively easy to do, a very simple process. So hopefully this answers some of your questions. Our website is www.hanksters.com. Again, you can find not only our Daytona Beach inventory there, but as also our Homer City, Pennsylvania location. It has an extensive inventory as well. So contact us by email, by phone if you have any additional questions. Otherwise, we look forward to trying to earn your business as a customer. Have a great day.